opportunity. 100 करोड़ की पॉपुलेशन, इवन 50 करोड़ पॉपुलेशन टायर 1 टायर 2 सिटी पकड़ लो और उसमें से 10 रुपया का एक आइटम साल में एक बार खिला दो, 500 करोड़ ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी. साल में 10 बार हमारा गोली खा जाएगा तो 5000 करोड़ हो सकता है. You know, when entrepreneurs always think, they don't do the number crunching that easy, but 5,000 crore, wow, got excited. And then we said, what is the business that we have to get in food? We said, masala dosa, but 5 मिनट में 50 मसाला डोसा तो नहीं बन सकता है, because it has to be a fast food. 5 मिनट में 50 पानी पूरी कस्टमर को सर्विस नहीं कर सकते. But we saw 5 मिनट में बम्बई में ठेला में से 50 वड़ा तो निकलता है. So we said, it's a fast food, so we just vada pav. It's a finger food. You don't require plates, you don't require spoons, so it's easy to move, no real estate cost. The third, it's a mobile food. Vada pav khate khate Bombay mein people cling onto your train, bus, a rickshaw wala also drives a rickshaw eating a vada pav. It's a mobile food. So fast food, finger food, mobile food. That's why we said vada pav. Then we said, what is the next thing? What is the name? People said, most of my friends were from ad agencies. English is aspirational. Whatever brand you have to create, it has to have an English name, Angreji name. But somehow I wondered, कि नल्ली साड़ीज को आप जूली साड़ीज बोलेगा तो कोई साड़ी पहनेगा क्या? दैट वाज द काइंड ऑफ थॉट प्रोसेस. और यू हैव ए कारी एंड यू कॉल इट फ्रांसिस कारी, और योर हल्दीराम्स भुजिया कॉल्ड जोस भुजिया. नोबडी वुड ईट. आई सेड वड़ा पाव इज बोर्न ऑन द फुटपाथ ऑफ मुंबई, एंड द फुटपाथ मुंबई लिंगो इज मुन्ना बाई पुडी रापचिक आइटम, सो विल नेम इट गोली, एंड दैट्स हाउ गोली वड़ा पाव इज बोर्न.
Venki, I have one question for you to address for us. I know that while you might have had the aspiration to be an entrepreneur for a long time, but when you jumped into it, you had near-death experiences in terms of a company, right? There were times when your company was going to shut down and didn't see that there was hope in selling vada pav, essentially, right? So can you share with us how you overcame those hurdles and leave the thoughts on when should an entrepreneur give up, when should they continue to charge even though death seems imminent? Yeah?
When we started this business around 2004, we didn't have a background of food business and other things. There was a dream. We got a core team, somebody who were working in college canteens and other kind of people started doing the batata vadas for us. There was a central kitchen where is to make these golis. It's called golis. It's a round ball. That's why we call it golis. And this we used to supply to our franchisees. And the franchisees used to dip it in the basin, fry it and shove it between a pav and give it to the customer. That's how the vada pav business started. So if you used to supply around 8,000 golis from our central kitchen, by the end of the day, around 3,000 golis will go waste because the product didn't have a shelf life. So see, when you get crazy, you don't think about this when you start. So by the time we had 15 stores, we realized that every day we are throwing away 3,000 golis or 4,000 golis down the gutter. It was a huge wastage. Second was that the boys at the store level used to do pilferage. एक गोली का 2 गोली बना के बेच देते थे. So pilferage was a big issue. Third was the chef or the kitchen cook, his mood changed, the taste used to change. Fourth was every time I used to go, he said, "Saab gaon jana hai," and I used to give him some 10,000 rupees. Now these are the kind of stories that started happening. And the fourth was no fixed price contract. The potato prices changes, the onion prices have shot up to 80. Then suddenly everybody is eating vada pav, but every time somebody is eating a vada pav, you are putting 2 rupees from your pocket. That was the kind of scene I landed up in. And suddenly the first round, we sold our shares, whatever corporate finance, huge money, sold shares. Second round, we sold FDs. Third round, I went and sold my insurance policies. Fourth, I started looking out for gold, That was the last stage of BVK jewelry. And at that stage, we thought, we wastage nahi solve karega to kaisa karenge? And huge franchisee inquiries. And that's where I say, somewhere the reading helped. Paulo Coelho's, that beautiful word, you have a dream, the dream has come in the womb of the universe. It's the responsibility of the universe to fulfill the dream. The universe conspires to help you achieve your dream. And the same thing our own Mahatma Gandhi has said, you find the purpose, the means will follow. Everybody said Goli cannot become McDonald's or Vada Pav cannot become a burger. As a last desperate attempt, we went to the people who make burgers for McDonald's worldwide. It's called OSI Worldwide and Vista in India. And we said, this is what we are doing, but we are having technological problem. The product doesn't have a shelf life. I tried before that IIT engineers, VJT engineers, okay, nitrogen gas chambers, all those technology trials we did. We did suddenly, what you call, ultraviolet rays, the way Amul is being done, and batata vada mein kitna bacteria marta, Suddenly from a financial services background, you start reading microboids and bacteria.